me and over 40, I know. You have probably ingested this and don't know it. So, there is a blight, a little bug that likes to live on these cactus. Have you ever seen the scale blight before? Okay, it is actually a bug in there.
Oh, yeah, those little orange things.
They're orange?
Yeah. Do you see how red that is?
Oh, yeah.
This is called cochineal. Cochineal. Very red. See they're red? If you've ever drank bug juice or certain early sodas that were dyed red or orange, it was with this. Yeah. They don't do it too much anymore, but there are a few soda brands that still use, it'll say cochineal, which sounds wonderful, doesn't it? Sounds luxurious. But it's actually bug juice. It is the flesh and blood of an insect. Oh, I'm sure it's probably more healthier, but you are killing a living thing. So there's those people that...
Do they grow them?
That's a good question. I don't know.
Where do they get them after?
I know. They
don't
probably
scrape
go
them
around
off
like
the
I just
cactus,
did
I'll tell you that.
and get the red coloring. So that's cochineal. Yeah, and makeup. That'd be kind of cool.
And the Indians use them to dye things.
Just rub some on your lips.
I know, right? Yeah.
Beautiful.